Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. We are from Group 6. We will present material about hospitalizing and simple past tense. Let me introduce myself, Yolanda, as the moderator, and our member is Surito, Priska Nopianti, Suraya Lisa Dewi, Sophia Hasana, Rizka Amalia, and Juliana. Okay.
Practice play a role the conversation. Felice is transferred from emergency room to VIP room by the ER nurse. The VIP nurse who is in charge is welcoming them. Good morning. Good morning. Is she the new patient from ER? Yes, she is. She is Felice. She is with her father, Mr. Gomez. She suffers typhus. All right. Hello, Felice and Mr. Gomez. I'm Nurse Fallon. Welcome in VIP ward. We have prepared the room include all the facilities. I hope you will feel comfortable. And if you need any help, I'll be here to help you. Now I will take you to room 3. I almost forget this is the medical record. Please take care of her well. Yes, of course. Let me see. The VIP nurse reads the medical records. All right, Felice Gomez, 12 years old. That's right, nurse. Well, now I should go back to room, nurse, Mr. Gomez. Hopefully your daughter will be better soon. And don't worry, the nurse will take care of your daughter well. Thank you, nurse. Yes, of course. I have no worry because I trust you all will take care of my daughter well. Thank you, nurse. Yes, of course. Here is VIP 3 Felice and Mr. Gomez. Welcome. You might look around to know where everything a letter. I'll come back and I'll come back and ask you some question. Okay, nurse, thank you. This is the pajamas, Felice. You have to wear this. Yes, of course. Well, I take your infusion set while you change her clothes. Next. The nurse leaves to prepare the infusion set while Felice is helped by her father wears the pajamas. A few minutes later, the nurse comes back with the infusion set. All right, have you had your pajamas on? Yes, I have, nurse. All right, now I will apply the infusion, but before it, I will put on this identity bracelet on your wrist. Okay, nurse. Okay, it's finished. Now, would you please lie down here? Yes, sure. Felice lies down on the bed. The nurse applies the infusion set. Okay, it's set. Hopefully you will comfortable here. We will try our best to give you a good treatment so you can get well soon. Amin. Thank you, nurse. No worries here. This is my duty to provide the best service for all customers in hospital. Here's the nurse call. Just press the button if need some help you. Okay, nurse. There is a refrigerator on the left side on the corner, and there are TV set and air conditioner. Okay, nurse. By the way, where are the remote control for AC, and TV set? Oh, I'm sorry. Here they are. The bedroom is over there on the right side. Do you need help to go to the bedroom, Felice? Don't worry, I'll help her, nurse. All right. Is there anything else you need? No, thanks. I'll call you if I need help, nurse. Okay, then I'll go back to my room. I'll be back here to check everything after your lunch. Okay, don't hesitate to call me whenever you need help or assistance. Okay, nurse, thank you very much. Next, Kak Lisa.
Language focus. Modal, basic model. I can do it. You could do it. He had better do it. She might go do it. It might do. It might do it. We must do. We must do it. You ought to do it. They shall do it. They will do it. They will do it. Next. Modal do not take final even when the subject is she, he, or it. Correct? He can do it. Correct? He can do it. Modal are followed immediately by the simple form of verb. Correct? He can do it. Incorrect. He can to do it. He can does it. She can did it. Next. May I please borrow your book? May A and call are equal polite. Could I borrow your book, please? Can is usually considered a little less polite than my or could I? Can I borrow your book? Typical response. Certainly, yes, certainly. Of course, yes, of course. Sure, informal. Will you open the door for me, please? Will you mind if close the door? Will you mind if borrow your pen? Followed by the simple past tense. Typical response, no, not all, of course not. No, that will be fine. Ask someone to do something. Will you mind closing the door? Excuse me, will you mind helping me to do this? Typical response, no, I didn't be happy to. Not at all. I did be glad to. Sure. Okay. Informal.
Next, medical English vocabulary. Here is some essential vocabulary for nurses and medical professionals. Word part of speech and the meaning. Abnormal, age, not normal for the human body, pain that won't go away. Acute, quick to become severe or bad. Allergy, noun or adjective, allergic, a body's abnormal reaction to certain foods or environmental. Substance, it causes arrest. Ambulance, emergency vehicle that rushes people to a hospital. Amnesia, a condition that causes people to lose their memory. Amputation, permanent removal of a limb. Anemia occurs when the body doesn't have enough red blood cells. Antibiotics, medication that kills bacteria and cures infection. Antidepressant, medication that helps relieve anxiety and sadness. Next, arthritis, a disease that causes the joints to become swollen and crippled. Asthma or attack, a condition that causes a blockage of the airway and makes it difficult for a person to breathe. Bacteria, a disease-causing organism. Bed sore, wounds, that develop on a patient's body from lying in one place for too long, benign, not harmful, biopsy, removal of human tissue in order to conduct certain medical tests, blood count, the amount of red and white blood cells a person has. Blood donor, a person who gives blood to a blood pressure, the rate at which blood flows through the body, high or low. Brace, a device that holds injured body parts in place. Next. Bridge, position of an unborn baby in which the feet are down and the head is up. Broken, a bone that is divided into or more pieces as a result of an injury. A brace, noun or adjective, braised, injured body tissue that is visible underneath the skin. Cesarean section or chest section, procedure that involves removing a baby from its mother through an incision in the woman's lower abdomen. Cancer, disease caused by the uncontrollable growth cell. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR, restoring a person's breath and circulation. Cast, a hard bandage that is wrapped around a broken bone to keep it in place. Chemotherapy, type of treatment used on cancer patients. Chickenpox, a virus commonly contracted by children, characterized by itch spots all over the body. Coroner, a person who determines the cause of death after a person dies. Next. Critical condition, requiring immediately and constant medical attention. Crutches, object that people with injured leg or feet use to help them walk. Next. Simple past tense.
Simple past tense. How to formulate the simple past. 1. Nominal simple past tense. Rumus dalam bentuk kalimat positif. Let me tell you the complete formula. Kalimat positif, subject plus to be, was, or were, plus complement. Kalimat negatif, subject plus to be, was, or were, plus not, plus complement. Kalimat tanya, to be, was, or were, plus subject, plus complement. Contohnya adalah sebagai berikut. Kalimat positif, I was a teacher. Aku dulu seorang guru. She was fat. Dia dulu gemuk. We were a doctor. Kita dulu adalah seorang dokter. They were rich. Dulu mereka kaya. Next. Kalimat negatif, I was not fat. Aku dulu tidak gemuk. She was not sick yesterday. Dia tidak sakit kemarin. We were not tired. Kita tidak capek kemarin. They were not a bad kid. Mereka dulu bukan anak yang nakal. Kalimat tanya, was she so busy? Apakah dulu dia sangat sibuk? Was Intan happy to work here? Apakah dulu Intan senang bekerja di sini? Were they happy to work here? Apakah dulu mereka senang bekerja di sini? Were you late to come the office? Apakah dulu kamu terlambat kembali ke kantor? Next. Number 2, verbal simple past tense. Kata kerja pada tenses terdiri dari 3 bentuk, yaitu verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Dalam hal ini, sebagai kalimat simple past tense yang akan mengisi posisi predikat adalah verb 2, atau kata kerja kedua. Artinya, kata kerja ini sudah bukan lagi yang dasar, alias sudah berubah bentuk karena dipengaruhi oleh waktu atau lampau. Berikut ini merupakan rumus verbal simple past tense. Kalimat positif, subject plus verb to and complement. Jika ingin mengungkapkan kalimat kembali atau kalimat tanya, rumusnya adalah sebagai berikut. Kalimat negatif, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. Kalimat tanya, did plus subject plus verb 1. Jadi ada satu hal yang perlu digarisbawahi saat menggunakan rumus simple past tense. Untuk bentuk kalimat kembali dan kalimat tanya, maka kata kerja akan kembali ke dasar. Karena di sana sudah tertera did atau did not, did atau didn't sebagai bentuk lampau dari do and does. Berikut ini contoh kalimat verbal simple past tense. Kalimat positif, the nurse went to the hospital yesterday. Suster itu pergi ke rumah sakit kemarin. Kalimat negatif, the nurse didn't go to the hospital yesterday. Suster itu tidak pergi ke rumah sakit kemarin. Kalimat tanya, did the nurse go to the hospital yesterday? Apakah suster itu pergi ke rumah sakit kemarin? For regular verbs, add to the root form of the verb or just if the root form already ends in an. Play jadi played, type jadi type, listen jadi listened, push jadi pushed, love jadi loved.
For irregular verbs, things get more complicated. The simple past tense of some irregular verbs looks exactly like the root form. Put, pot, cut, cut, set, set, cost, cost, hit, hit. For other irregular verbs, including the verb to be, the simple past form are more erratic. See, saw, build, built, go, went, do, did, rise, rose, am, is, are, jadi, was, were. The good news is that verb in the simple past tense, except for the verb to be, don't need to agree in number with their. Example, Wolfgang polished his medal, the other winners polished their medal too. Next. How to make the simple past negative. Fortunately, there is a formula for making simple past verb negative, and it's the same for both regular and irregular. Verbs except for the verbs to be. The formula is, you can also use the contraction didn't instead of didn't. Example, Wolfgang's girlfriend didn't see the contest. For the verb to be, you don't need the auxiliary did when the subject of the sentence is singular. Use was, not, or wasn't when the subject is plural. Use were not or weren't. Example, the third place winner was as happy as Wolfgang. The fourth place winner wasn't happy at all. The onlookers were not ready to leave after the contest ended. The contestants weren't ready to leave either. Next. Common regular verbs in the past tense. Infinitive, past tense, negative. To ask, asked. Didn't ask. To work, work. Didn't work. To call, called. Didn't call. To use, used. Didn't use. Common irregular verbs in the past tense. Infinitive, past tense, negative. To be, was, were. Wasn't, weren't. To have, had. Didn't have. To do, did, didn't do. To say, said, didn't say. To get, got, didn't get. To make, made, didn't make. To go, went, didn't go. To take, took, didn't take. To see, saw, didn't see. To come, came, didn't come.